The 2027 Honda CB1000GT brings together sport bike performance and long-distance touring comfort in one refined package. Built for riders who want everyday usability without sacrificing excitement, this grand tour combines aggressive styling, advanced technology, and premium comfort, making every ride feel special. Engine and performance power comes from a smooth inline-four engine, derived from Honda's proven performance platform. It delivers strong low-end torque, crisp throttle response, and effortless highway cruising. The refined 6-speed gearbox works seamlessly with the ride-by-wire throttle, while selectable riding modes, traction control, and cruise control give you confidence and control in a wide range of riding conditions. Whether you're carving through winding roads or covering long highway miles, the CB1000GT feels responsive, refined, and enjoyable. Design and comfort. The CB1000GT features sleek, aerodynamic bodywork, a large adjustable windscreen, full LED lighting, and integrated hard luggage for added touring practicality. Its relaxed riding position, supportive seat, heated grips, and carefully designed ergonomics help reduce fatigue on long rides, while still delivering the sporty character riders expect from Honda. Technology and safety. Honda equips the CB1000GT with a full-color TFT display that includes smartphone connectivity, navigation support, Bluetooth, and USB charging. Advanced safety features such as cornering ABS, lean-sensitive rider aids, wheelie control, engine brake adjustment, and premium suspension work together to provide outstanding stability, confidence, and control on both highways and twisty roads. Touring capability. Designed to go far beyond the city limits, the CB1000GT offers an impressive fuel range, generous luggage capacity, and refined suspension that absorbs rough roads while maintaining precise handling. Whether you're commuting during the week or setting off on a cross-country adventure, this motorcycle is built to handle every journey with ease. Conclusion: the 2027 Honda CB1000GT blends performance, technology, comfort, and practicality into one exceptionally versatile sport touring motorcycle. For riders seeking thrilling performance without compromising long-distance capability, the CB1000GT stands out as one of Honda's most complete touring machines. Thanks for watching the Auto Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting automotive and motorcycle updates.